The College of Social and Behavioral Science tackles society's really big challenges, things like climate change, the obesity crisis that's occurring around the world, the increasing income gap. And we know that not any of these challenges can be faced and tackled with just one single discipline, that we need to understand how disciplines come together.
We have a wide diversity of backgrounds, interests, as well as expertise. And so I think one of the most unique aspects of coming to the College of Social and Behavioral Sciences, you have this unique opportunity to work with other disciplines, with other experts who can then inform what you are doing and help you to think about problems and think about solutions in ways that you would never be able to do on your own. At the National Center for Veterans Studies, we actually have a lot of students from across the departments in the college who seek us out to do research with us. Many of us veterans have lost friends and family members to suicide, have seen the devastating effects of PTSD, and so a lot of the students then really come to try to make a difference. We hear from them saying things like, you know, I want to help make and create the treatments that could have saved my friend's life.
We bring teams of researchers and students together to look at these kinds of questions, and then we get students out of the classroom so that they can begin to make the solutions that are going to really address these challenges.
We've got a bunch of faculty that have really engaged local projects that students can really dive into. Undergraduates coming in and finding a project, finding a question that really gets them excited, and then being able to go out into the field and try to collect data to answer that question. In anthropology, really one of the major things that we do is field studies. So we need to go out and collect data. And when it comes to being an archaeologist, we spend a lot of time in a place like this, going out and looking at what cultural material was left behind by past people that used to live here. Red Butte Canyon's an amazing place. The university backs right up to it, and we're able to take students up here and actually get them onto the ground and hands-on training and really understanding what archaeology is.
It's very important to learn in the classroom. But for the health classes, it's also very important to learn through the doing services in the community to see the actual people and what are the needs of the healthcare organizations and the patients.
Midwifery clinic is more of a hands-on. You're actually seeing different patients. It helps us for our future career because we can learn how to interact with different backgrounds, cultures.
There's social sciences, but we also have physical scientists, and we bridge together and teach students how to speak each other's language. And so I think students leaving here have a very broad perspective. I'm a physical scientist, I'm a paleoecologist, so I study past environments. I'm mainly interested in disturbance and environmental change over long time periods. Our work is all relevant to land management and working with people on coming up with solutions.
What the students really like about working with us in our lab is they really feel like they're giving back and doing something that makes a difference within the world.
Our students, they come here because they really want to change the world, and they're going to do just exactly that.